Viewers, welcome again to LR Academy for competitive exams. This time to the supplementary post on Tamil Nadu geography. Our next few posts of LR Academy for competitive exams will be on current events relating to the month of January and February 2021. Most possibly on Sunday we will release this post. And Chera and Pandya dynasties, 25 MCQs with answers. And for aspiring 12th students, need chemistry, that is on the topic of alcohol and ether functional groups. Kindly do press the red button to subscribe our channel. Thank you all. Do expect your motivation, support, and kindly forward the link to your friends too. Now we move to question number 1. The state of Madras was renamed as Tamil Nadu in the year. I repeat, the state of Madras was renamed as Tamil Nadu in the year. Given options: A. 1967, B. 1969, B. 1989, D. 1979. The state of Madras was renamed as Tamil Nadu in the year. The right answer is option B. 1969. 1969 onwards, the state of Tamil Nadu was renamed or called by the name Tamil Nadu. Now we move to question number 2. The largest district in Tamil Nadu by area wise. The largest district in Tamil Nadu by area wise. A. Nagapattinam district, B. Kadalur district, C. Madurai district, D. Viluppuram district. I repeat, the largest district in Tamil Nadu by area wise is, the right answer is option D. Viluppuram district. Viluppuram district is the largest district in Tamil Nadu area wise. Now we move to question number 3. The first chief minister of the state of Tamil Nadu was. The first chief minister of the state of Tamil Nadu was. Given options: Mr. C.N. Annadurai, option A; option B, Mr. M. Karunanidhi; option C, Mr. Kamaraj; option D, Mr. Rajagopalachari. I repeat the options: A. Mr. C.N. Annadurai; B. Mr. M. Karunanidhi; C. Mr. Kamaraj; D. Mr. Rajagopalachari. The first chief minister of the state of Tamil Nadu was. The right answer is option A, Mr. C.N. Annadurai, popularly called by the name Anna. Now we move to question number 4. Which city in Tamil Nadu is popularly referred as City of Festivals? Which city in Tamil Nadu is popularly referred as City of Festivals? Given options: A. Kumbakonam, B. Tanjavur, C. Madurai, D. Tirunelveli. I repeat the options: A. Kumbakonam, B. Tanjavur, C. Madurai, D. Tirunelveli. Which city in Tamil Nadu is popularly referred as City of Festivals? The right answer is option C. Madurai. Moving to question number 5. The first regular newspaper in Tamil language was. The first regular newspaper in Tamil language was. Given options: A. Sudesi Mithiran, B. Vidudalai, C. Tamil Murasu, D. None of these options. I repeat, the first regular newspaper in Tamil language was. Given options: A. Sudeshi Mithiran, B. Vidudalai, C. Tamil Murasu, D. None of these options. The right answer is option A. Sudeshi Mithiran. Now we move to question number 6. The longest ruled dynasty in the state of Tamil Nadu was. The longest ruled dynasty in the state of Tamil Nadu was. Given options: A. Chalukya dynasty, B. Satavahanas dynasty, C. Chola dynasty, D. Chera dynasty. The longest ruled dynasty in the state of Tamil Nadu was. The right answer is option C. Chola dynasty. Dear viewers, kindly do press the red button to subscribe our channel, do motivate and support us. Now we move to question number 7. The chief soil of Tamil Nadu state is. The chief soil of Tamil Nadu state is. Given options: A. Black soil, B. Laterite soil, C. Red soil, D. Alluvial soil. The chief soil of the state of Tamil Nadu is. Given options: A. Black soil, B. Laterite soil, C. Red soil, D. Alluvial soil. The right answer is option C. Red soil. Red soil is the chief soil of Tamil Nadu state. Now we move to question number 8. Match the dams in Tamil Nadu with its rivers. Column A is the dam and column B are the rivers. I repeat, match the dams in Tamil Nadu with its rivers. Given options: A. Adavi Nayanar Dam, Bhavani; Pechipagai Dam, Paglayar; Pillur Dam, Kodiyar; Perunjanai Dam, Tamiraparni. Match the dams in Tamil Nadu with its rivers. The correctly matched options are Adavi Nayanar Dam, Thamirabarni River. Adavi Nayanar Dam, Thamirabarni. B. Pechiparai Kodiyar. Pechiparai Dam, Kodiyar. C. Pillur Dam, Bhavani. Pillur Dam is located on the river Bhavani. D. Perunjani Parlayar. Perunjani Parlayar. A. Thamirabarni. B. Kodayar. C. Bhavani. D. Parlayar. Now we move to question number 9. Match the rivers of Tamil Nadu with their dams. Column A are the rivers and column B are the dams. Given options: A. Kosathalayar, Sothupagai. B. Noyal, Kodiveri. C. Bhavani, Pundi. D. Vagaganadi, Amagavadi. I repeat the options: A. Kosathalayar, Sothupagai. B. Noyal, Kodiveri. C. Bhavani, Pundi. D. Vagaganadi, Amagavadi. The rightly matched options are A. Kosathalayar, Pundi. Kosathalayar on the river Pundi. On the B. Noyal river Amagavadi. Given options: B. Noyal, Amagavadi. C. Bhavani, Kodiveri. D. Vagaganadi, Sothupagai. I repeat: Kosathalayar, Pundi. B. Noyal, Amagavadi. That is on the Noyal dam. On the Noyal river is the dam Amagavadi. C. Bhavani, Kodiveri. D. Vagaganadi, Sothupagai. Moving to question number 10. Match the temples in Tamil Nadu which the cities they are in. Match the temples in Tamil Nadu with the cities they are in. A. Sri Ranganatha Swami. Given options: A. Sri Ranganatha Swami, Nagarkoil. Jambukeshwar, Rameshwaram. Ramanatha Swami, Srirangam. Nagaraja Temple, Thiruvannaikkaval. The rightly matched options are Sri Ranganatha Swami Temple, Srirangam. Jambukeshwar Temple, Thiruvannaikkaval. Ramanatha Swami Temple, Rameshwaram. Nagaraja Temple, Nagarkoil. I repeat the options: Sri Ranganatha Swami Temple, Srirangam. Jambukeshwar Temple, Thiruvannaikkaval. Ramanatha Swami Temple, Rameshwaram. Nagaraja Temple, Nagarkovil. Now moving to question number 11. Match the bird sanctuaries with their district located in. Match the bird sanctuaries with the district located in. Vallanadu Black. Given column A and B are Vallanadu Black Buck, Erode. Vellode Bird Sanctuary, Sivagangai. Vaduvur Bird Sanctuary, Tiruvallur. Vettangudi Bird Sanctuary, Thoothukudi. The rightly matched options are Vallanadu Black Buck Sanctuary in the district of Thoothukudi, that is Thoothukudi. Vallanadu Black Buck Sanctuary, Thoothukudi. A. Thoothukudi. B. Vellode Bird Sanctuary, Erode. Vellode Bird Sanctuary, Erode. C. Vaduvur Bird Sanctuary, Tiruvallur. Vaduvur Bird Sanctuary, Tiruvallur. D. Vettangudi Bird Sanctuary, Sivagangai. Vettangudi Bird Sanctuary, Sivagangai. Moving to question number 12. Identify the wetlands among the following. Identify the wetlands among the following. A. Point Kalimar, that is Kodiyakarai. B. Kaluveli. C. Pallikkaranai. D. All these options. Identify the wetland. தமிழில் சதுப்பு நிலம் சொல்லுவாங்க. Identify the wetlands among the following. A. Point Kalimar, that is Kodiyakarai. B. Kaluveli. C. Pallikkaranai. D. All of these options. The right answer is option D. All these are wetlands. That is Point Kalimar, Kaluveli and Pallikkaranai. Moving to question number 13. Match the minerals with their districts. Match the minerals found with their districts. A. Limestone. Given A. Limestone, Nilgiris. B. Magnesite, Sivagangai. C. Graphite, Salem. D. Bauxite, Tiruchirappalli, that is Trichy. The rightly matched options are limestone, A. Trichy. B. Magnesite, Salem. C. Graphite, Sivagangai. D. Bauxite, Nilgiris. I repeat: limestone, A. Tiruchirappalli, that is Trichy. B. Magnesite, Salem. C. Graphite, Sivagangai. D. Bauxite, Nilgiris. Moving to question number 14. The international airports of Tamil Nadu are in the cities of The international airports of Tamil Nadu are in the cities of A. Chennai, B. Madurai, C. Coimbatore, D. Tiruchirappalli. E. All the above. The international airports of Tamil Nadu are in the cities of A. Chennai, B. Madurai, C. Coimbatore, D. Tiruchirappalli, E. All the above. The right answer is option E. All the above cities have possess international airports. That is Chennai, Madurai, Coimbatore and Tiruchirappalli. All the 4 cities have international airports in them. Moving to question number 15. The last question of this supplementary post. Match the universities with the cities located in. Match the government universities with the cities located in. Given A. Alagappa University, Salem. B. Bharathidasan University, Karaikudi. C. Periyar University, Velur. D. Tiruvallur University, Trichy. The rightly matched options are A. Alagappa University, Karaikudi. Alagappa University, Karaikudi. B. Bharathidasan University, Tiruchirappalli, that is Trichy. Bharathidasan University, Tiruchirappalli, that is Trichy. C. Periyar University, Salem. Periyar University, Salem. Tiruvallur University, D. Velur. Tiruvallur University, Velur. I repeat, Alagappa University, Karaikudi. Bharathidasan University, Trichy. Periyar University, Salem. Tiruvallur University, Velur. LR Academy for Competitive Exams thanks all its viewers for viewing this supplementary post of 15 MCQs with answers on Tamil Nadu geography. Kindly do press the red button to subscribe our channel. Thank you.